guys, welcome back. If it's your first time here, my name's Jen and I'm a self-taught nail enthusiast. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this two-toned French manicure look. I don't really know what to call it. I have no idea what it's called, but I've seen pictures of this floating around like Pinterest and Instagram, where they do like two different colors like crisscrossed as like a French manicure. I already did my right hand and I just did like a tan and a brown color. I actually used the color beige and what was the other color? Plum pink. So it's like a pinkish brown. And this came in Model 1's like 24 kit. It was like a fall kit. I'll have it linked down below. But I actually think I want to do a different color on the right hand because I can't really decide what I want to do. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do like a light purple and a dark purple. And I'm going to use the color Iris and dark violet for this one. My nails have all been prepped. And all I did was I took off the gel that I had on in my last look. And I just put on a layer of the Amelia Builder base. And then I put on 2 coats of the number 065. It's like a pinkish hint, like a pinkish hue on like a clear nail polish. I'll show you what it looks like in the bottle. It looks very pink in the bottle, but when you put it on, it's not like that at all. I'm sure like if you put a bunch of coats on, it might, but I just wanted like something on the cuticle area. So I'm gonna start out with the light purple, just trying to see. I have this one called Orchid. And then I have Iris. They kind of look alike, but I think I'm going to go with Orchid, actually. And it's in that same kit that the beige and the other color came in. So basically, all you do is I get most of the polish off the brush. And I just go to like the edge of this cuticle to the other point of the nail. So start at the cuticle and just go right across. And then you can just like take your brush and go like this and fill it in. Okay. So I saw like all different color combos. I saw the beige and like tan look. I saw like black and white. I saw like white and like a nudish pink. So, you know, I feel like you could do like any color that you wanted to. Any like complementary colors. And you could do just like me, if you can't decide, you can do 2 different ones on both your hands. Doesn't really matter. So I just kind of get most of the polish off the brush. And I kind of like scrape the inside of the bottle. And again, I go from the tip of this cuticle down to the tip of the nail. And then I just fill it in like that. And I did end up using 2 coats on the other hand. This is actually like a very saturated color. I'm probably still going to do 2 coats of this, but you probably wouldn't have to. Okay. And the pinky. And if you missed the last video on how I prepped my nails, I'll have it linked in the cards or down below. I basically just like file off. Like if I have polish on or something like that, I pretty much just file it off. And I do my nails like every single weekend. So I didn't have anything that needed to be filled in. Sometimes I'll soak them off, depending on like what I want to do. Or if the nails have just gotten too thin, I'll soak them off and put a new set on. I had soaked off my, oh my gosh, why am I drawing a blank? My Chiara Sky. I soaked off my Chiara Sky nails early because I wanted to try out the Gel X tips from Apres. But like normally I would go like 3 weeks with the same nails on and just change the, just file off the color. So I don't want you to think that I'm like soaking them off every single week. I mean, you definitely could, but I don't see why you would, because you could get a lot longer use out of them. And again, if you make any mistakes, you can just clean it off with a nail brush and some alcohol. So don't worry about it. Okay. Honestly, this looks so cute. Just make sure. Just want to clean up the cuticle over here. Uh-oh, I think that might be from before because that's cured. That's alright. Not a big deal. Okay. Gonna go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. Alrighty, now I'm gonna do dark violet going across the other way. Okay, and just kind of start on this tip. Go all the way to that corner. Show you again on the index finger. Okay, start over here, and I'm kind of cheating a little bit. I'm like painting down, which you totally can. Go nice and slow till you get to that point. There you go. That's so freaking pretty. I can't even stand it. Ah! Thank you, Pinterest. That's the first place that I saw it, was on Pinterest. And then I saw a couple on Instagram, but I have no idea what you call this because the one on Pinterest doesn't have a name. It just has like an Amazon link to it. There was nobody's like name on it, the one that I saw. I tried looking for videos of this on YouTube and I couldn't find any videos. If there like is someone out there that, you know, started this, please tell me and I will give them credit. But I honestly don't know like who started this trend. But whoever they are, thank you, because it's very pretty. Okay, gonna cure that. Alright, I'm gonna do the second coat of this. And it's much easier when you do the second coat as opposed to doing the first one. You at least have like a map of where you need to go with the brush. Okay. And again, you can just do like downward strokes like this if you wanted to. You could use tape or like one of those, it's like the French manicure tapes, I guess you could use. It, however you are able to do something, go ahead and do it that way. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Sorry, I'm not talking as much. I just feel like this one is really hard and I need to concentrate a lot more on this one. I know I can clean it up, but I don't know. Kind of a perfectionist, I guess. Okay, I just need to clean up a couple little spots here. Gorgeous! Okay, let's cure that. Alrighty, I'm just gonna add some top coat to this. This is probably one of the easiest looks, but yet one of the most, I don't know, eye-catching looks that I've ever done. And honestly, like, the combinations are endless. You could really do like any color that you wanted to. Or you could even just do like one. I have seen that. That's been around for a while where like they just do like one color on the side. I actually ordered some press-on nails like that because I thought they were really pretty. It was like just white. So it was like, I don't know, just like a twist on the typical like French nail. go ahead and cook that one for 60 seconds and I'll be right back. Hey guys, sorry, I realized that I wasn't filming when I was editing and I didn't show you guys the final look. Don't mind me with these rings, I'm just living my extra life. I bought a bunch of rings off of Amazon and I was trying them out while I was editing. But here we go, finished look. I got the purple on this hand and the nude on this side. And I don't know what says I'm a Gemini more than this look, but here you go. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I hope you guys will give it a try at home. Again, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and the bell notification button so you never miss a mani with me.